If you suspect that your Gmail account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to recover your Gmail account. Step 1. Go to the Google Account Recovery page. Visit the Google Account Recovery page by entering https://account.google.com/signin/recovery in your web browser. This page is designed to help you recover your account if you can't access it. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Gmail account. Click Next to proceed. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you enter the correct one that you are trying to recover. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions, entering a verification code sent to your recovery email or phone number, or confirming your identity through other means. Complete the verification steps as instructed. Step 4. Change your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Make sure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Step 5. Review account activity. After regaining access, review your account activity for any unauthorized actions. Check your sent emails, account settings, and recovery options. Update your recovery information if necessary and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Taking these steps will help you regain access to your Gmail account and protect it from future unauthorized access. Always stay vigilant and regularly update your security settings.